Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for data analysis. First, understand that Gemini excels at processing vast amounts of information. It can quickly identify key trends and patterns within your datasets, saving you significant time. You can ask it complex questions, and it will provide insightful answers, helping you make informed decisions based on your data. To begin, you'll need to upload your data. Gemini supports many file types, such as CSV and Excel spreadsheets. It's crucial to ensure your data is clean and well-structured before uploading for optimal results. If your data needs tidying, Gemini can even assist with common cleaning tasks, making your analysis smoother and more accurate. Once your data is ready, the real analysis begins by using clear and specific prompts. Ask Gemini to summarize key findings, compare different data points, or even predict future trends. Don't hesitate to refine your questions. The more precise your prompts, the deeper and more valuable the insights Gemini can provide for your analysis. After Gemini processes your requests, carefully review its output for accuracy and relevance to your goals. Consider visualizing the findings using charts or graphs to better understand the patterns. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your workday. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Applying these insights can significantly enhance your decision-making process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.